checking your phone, and boom, while you slept, your bank account got a little fatter. That's not a fantasy. That's affiliate marketing done right. But I know getting started can feel overwhelming. Where do you begin? What tools do you need? Is it really possible to make money online without your own product? Well, in today's video, I'm breaking down affiliate marketing for beginners step-by-step guide. Everything step by step, no fluff, no jargon, just straight talk that gets results. What is affiliate marketing? Let's break it down. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or services online and you earn a commission every time someone buys through your unique link. So you don't need to create a product, manage inventory, or handle customer service. Your only job is to send traffic that buys. Sound good, right? How affiliate marketing works. I'm going to be showing you real world example. Let's say you love fitness and you find a high quality workout supplement on a site like Digistore24 or Amazon. You sign up, get your affiliate link, create a video or blog post talking about the benefit, and someone clicks and buys. You just earn a commission. Let me show you the step-by-step guide on how to get started. Step 1. You choose a niche. You need to pick a niche you are passionate about or curious to learn. Either finance, fitness, beauty, pet, parenting, whatever feels right. The more specific, the better. Step 2 is to join an affiliate program. Popular platforms include Digistore24, Amazon Associates, Digistem, Clickbank, Impact, or CJ Affiliate. Sign up and explore offers that match your niche. Step 3 is to pick your first product. Look for high commission percentage, good reviews, product with good reviews, and product in demand in your niche. Step 4, build your platform. You need a place to promote. That is, to promote your product. Number 1 is like YouTube, blog or website, Instagram or TikTok, and email list. Step 5 is to create valuable content. Don't yourself, educate, entertain, inspire, create videos like product reviews, how to guides, top 5 tools for XYZ. Always include your affiliate link with a strong CTA, that is, call to action. Step 6, drive traffic. Use SEO, search engine optimization, social media, paid ads when you are ready, Pinterest or Reddit, depending on your niche. Step 7 is to track and optimize. Use tools like Bentley or link tracking, Google Analytics, affiliate dashboard insights. Find what is working, double down and cut what is not. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are some rookie mistakes I want you to avoid. Mistake number 1, promoting too many random products. Mistake number 2, not building trust with your audience. And mistake number 3, ignoring data. 4, giving up too soon. It takes time. My personal tips for you. When I first started, I made every mistake in the book. But what helped me? Focusing on one product, one platform, and being consistent. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to and drop a comment. What niche you are thinking of starting with?